This video is about the uses of this medicinal uses of this Kadamba tree. It's a beautiful afternoon with drizzle, and this flower looks so beautiful. Now let me get into the details of the plant. It is called Kadamba in Sanskrit and Kannada, and Neolamarkia Kadamba in botanical language. And it grows throughout Western Ghats in wet location. Used to grow, now it's vanished. It seems it was useful for pencils or something, and everything has been cut in these British times. So it's gone from the forest. Here and there people are reintroducing, like me. With great difficulty you can get the seedling and plant one if you like it. And the main, it has numerous medicinal properties apart from mythological significance. And the bark is an important part of the medicinal plant. That's the bark of this Kadamba tree. And like that. And the bark is bitter, astringent, acrid, cooling, pain reducing, anti-inflammatory, digestive, and then it relieves flatulence and gas, as a remedy for gas, digestive gas and all that too much. And also it prevents gas formation, and also increases milk secretion. And it is also in, and then anti-worm. It removes, expels these worms and kills them. And diuretic, expectorant, constipating, anti-vomiting and tonic is bark. And then also it is used in Ayurveda for vitiated pitta, that is high pitta. And then inflammatory diseases, blood purifying, and diarrhea, fevers, cough, burning sensation, high thirst with accompanied with fever, eye weakness, wounds, ulcers and weakness, physical weakness and debility. Then the leaves are, decoction of the leaves is good for cleaning ulcers. Like if worms and all are forming and then pus and all that, it removes the, can make a decoction and wash the wound. And also for abnormal uterine discharge for ladies, it's that decoction, they think they use it somehow. Now this beautiful flower also is very herbal, and it is very much edible. That is, it's non-toxic and all, and it is good for gastric irritability, all kind of stomach irritations, IBS and such things, soothing and nice. And then also it reduces fever, being the cooling herb. And it can be used somewhat in on the lines like tomato and all. In any of your dishes you can chop one or two and add it. And it can be made into chutney and then some curry and such things. Apart from that, this Kadamba was the original Sthala Vriksha, that is the locational tree of this Madurai temple. In that Madurai area now this Kadamba is gone. Anyway, one relic is there, it seems. And Lord Krishna was supposed to have played under, done all his mischief, the Gopikas and all that under this Kadamba tree. And also there is an episode where he steals the clothes of the Gopikas and then he hides it on this Kadamba tree. And this mother goddess Devi loves this plant and this tree and flower, and she is one of her names is Kadamba Vanavasini, that is the one who loves to live in Kadamba forests. So if you don't have this tree, just go ahead and acquire it, plant it, and revive this ancient and beautiful species of our India.